Hi there, friends! Are you ready to learn about all the cool objects around us? In this video, we'll explore things you see every day, like toys, food, and more. So grab your thinking caps and let's get started. Can you say objects? Great job! Now let's find out what kinds of objects we use every day. First up, let's talk about toys. Toys are so much fun, and we use them to play. Look at this teddy bear. Can you say teddy bear? Great! And here's a ball. What do we do with a ball? That's right. We bounce it, throw it, and catch it. Let's try again. Ball, ball. Next, let's learn about food. Yum, yum. Food gives us energy to run, jump, and play. Here's an apple. Can you say apple? A-P-P-L-E, apple. And look at this yummy banana. Bananas are sweet and perfect for snacks. Can you pretend to peel a banana? What's your favorite food? Now, let's look at things we see in our homes. This is a chair. We sit on chairs to eat, read, or relax. Can you touch the chair you're sitting on? Good job. And here's a clock. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Clocks help us know what time it is. Can you say clock?